In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out your Facebook from all devices. This is going to be super easy for you guys. Just follow the steps that I'm going to do. And if you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys. Now to get this done, first of all, you need to open your Facebook. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then scroll down. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then settings. Then see more in account center. Then you need to scroll down. Then password and security. Then you need to scroll down. Then under security checks, you are going to see where you are logged in. Now tap on it. Then tap on your Facebook profile. Then as you can see on the top there, accounts which are logged in. Now this is this device. That is the first option, the first device at the top there. Then we have logins on other devices. So we are going to log out from these other devices. Now in order to do that, we need to tap on select devices to log out. Then you need to select the device that you want to log out from. Or you can select all if you want to log out from all the devices. So just tap on select all. Then all the devices are going to be selected. Now tap on log out. Then log out. Then as you can see guys, all the devices have been logged out. So that's it guys. That's how you can simply log out your Facebook from all devices. Now if you found this video useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.